Back in DC, one of the guys I went to high school with, Ronnie Webb, School Without Walls 04, baby. He started a nonprofit called the Green Scheme. And on a grassroots level, his organization goes into at-risk communities, which are predominantly communities of color, and they promote health awareness. They teach people about urban agriculture techniques. The Green Scheme, they also use urban agriculture as a weapon to help people in the community back against lack of access.
Urban agriculture is basically growing food in the city and growing it in crazy places, or I guess what people would consider crazy places. So right now, we're behind an apartment complex in Southeast DC, and we have a hoop house.
I also went to School Without Walls with Xavier. When I went to interview him in his garden, he let me taste some of his lettuce. And his lettuce game was real strong. I mean, real strong. But I'm engaged.
We're trying to create something new that the people control, that the people dictate, to create new access to food. So right now, anybody that lives in the surrounding community or neighborhood, in a few months will have access to kale, collard greens, turnip greens, carrots, tomatoes, some more okra, beets, radishes, all types of stuff.
That's awesome. Like, it's perfect. It's a perfect fruit. It's a perfect vegetable right there. God just was like, there it is. Go eat that.